Hello, today I will be building a worm bin, and the worm bin that I'm constructing today will be a cheap and efficient way to compost your kitchen scraps. What you need is 2 Tupperware containers. You want to use a solid Tupperware container with no holes for your base. One of your Tupperware containers will need drill holes. I use 1/4-inch drill holes all around the top at about a 1 to 2 inch spacing. Next, you drill holes in the bottom, and what this does is allow air for your worms. Like any other creature, worms need air, water, food, and shelter to survive. Next, we're going to add bricks to the bottom of the solid Tupperware. And you place the second Tupperware just like this, and you can see that the air holes still allow air once you've placed your top on. So next stage, we're going to be adding bedding material. The bedding material can be shredded paper, old newspapers, or cardboard shredded finely. What I'm going to do is apply a little bit of water to the bedding material, and I like to use a mister. You can use a handheld mister if that's what you have. The key is, once you have it wet, you want it to feel like a wrung out sponge. We're going to add organic material. I like to use a garden soil, potting soil, whatever you have available is fine. So next you can add your kitchen scraps to this. Next we're going to use red wiggler worms. These can be purchased at any of your local bait stores, or you can purchase them on the internet. We're going to add more of the bedding material, and what that does is the worms are going to gravitate down to go toward darkness. They don't like the light. We're going to want to mist it and get it moist and not too wet. The last step will be adding the lid, and you will be finished with your worm bin. For more information on this topic, please visit the link below.